Hi there, like promised, street art video. 3 pages of sort of descriptions, the map of our city. As you can see, Dordrecht is an island, lots of bridges. So I'll do a bit more on that another time, but it's a lot of water and a lot of walking too, lots of little bridges and things to cross. But it was a lovely day. It was very warm, but it was a lovely day. It was very quiet. It wasn't very busy in town. We still had a lot of restrictions at the time. We did have free movement, but distancing and hands and masks and all the rest of it. But anyway, but it worked well. And I enjoyed my walk. I had sore feet when I got home, but here it is. So I do hope you enjoy. I have fun watching. See a sneaky little piece there. That's where I'm heading for number 3 of the street art. Getting closer. Just had the most amazing experience. When I was taking one of the photos of the street art, 2 ladies approached, well, not just me, but the street art, and we were looking at the same things, and we had this wonderful conversation. Such lovely ladies. Anyway, they were also following the same route as I was, and all of a sudden they caught up to me while I was here, and they presented me with a gift. It's a bookmark with all of Dordrecht's beautiful special sites. I had told them about the elf books that I write for my grandchildren, and so they thought a bookmark was an appropriate thank you for our conversation. Ladies, I want to thank you. How absolutely lovely. You've made my day. Onward and upward to the next one. These weren't on the tour. These are garage boxes, and look how gorgeous. All the seasons. Now that's fun, and a lot nicer than just metal doors. bit still. I'm going to number 5, I think. Or is it 6? No, number 5. Noisy devil. I'm supposed to be going into the Koninginnenstraat, which is just here. Here we are, very colourful. So nice. Here we go. Oh, it's a painting round the corner. Great ingenuity. This really is a mystery tour, and I've never been to so many places in Dordrecht that I never knew existed. Yes, all hot and bothered, and I need a drink. But just when I thought it's not where it's supposed to be, I came round the corner and part 1. I'll be working on the next half the next few days. This is a bonus. This is Dordrecht. Welcome to Holland's oldest city. Now that needs explaining.